Let's check out this absolutely awesome LED clock with alarm, also temperature meter and calendar, and also a bunch of more absolutely cool features. But this clock actually comes in different colors. I have the black version, but also you can get in silver and also like different color versions. If you want to get this clock, in the description I'll include a special discount link so that you can use it to get for the cheapest price. So personally I got mine from AliExpress and literally paid actually only $3 for mine, which is absolutely insane considering what we are getting here. So let's check out everything we actually get. So I have already used it for a while and generally actually I'm very impressed. So I just put everything back, demonstrate. So inside the box, first we get our clock here, also our manual here and also our Type-C cable here. So this clock can actually run from different sources. So you can either plug it in, so over here as you see you have the Type-C port, or also it can be run from 3 batteries as well. You can also insert 3 AAA batteries in this clock. Okay. And you see you also have the controls on the back of it, and you see you can now do everything. First, if you want to set it up, we are going to click and hold the mode button. So you see, hold it and it will start to blink. Then we are again going to use this up, down and the mode button to, like for example, set the 12 or 24 time format. Again press the mode to go to the next. As you see you can also like set your time. So again if you set the 12-hour format, also you see you AM or PM here, and also switch to the minutes. Okay, and then you see the clock is set and everything is set. If you also want to set the more things, again, so you see you can click the mode to cycle to the next menu. So you see you can see your current date here. For example, I'm going to press and hold the mode button again to change the date to whatever you need. When it comes to negatives, however, it's the other way around, so the American system. So the month actually goes on this side and the day actually on this side. I actually wish it was the other way around. We can't really change it. Also, for example, we can also check our temperature indoors here. Again, if we press the mode button here, and also we have the alarm here as well. So if you also at any time press the alarm button here, you can also go directly and check your alarm time basically at which time it will like sound. If you want to set the alarm, again simply press and hold the alarm button. Okay, so you see you can set the alarm here with up and down and the minutes. And also this is snooze time, and also if you want to sound it on a like Sunday or whatever really. Okay, and to turn on the alarm, so again go in the alarm mode and press the alarm button again. So you see alarm actually gets turned on and off. And next let me show you what the alarm sounds like. So it actually gradually increases, so you'll see how it actually performs. So you see that alarm simply gradually increases on this unit till it gets like very loud and also like very disturbing. If you're wondering how is the volume from the alarm, then actually it's crazy loud. So again, even if you are a very deep sleeper, this will actually still wake you up. So actually the alarm is very good on this one. If you want to pause the video here, you can see all the modes here and how to set them up here as well. Also on this clock we can also very easily change the brightness as well. So you see if I press the up button, I can change the brightness, so it's actually very dim. So in real life it actually doesn't flicker, my camera simply has some problems. So in real life the quality actually of the display is actually like really decent here. And also you can enable this like auto brightness as well, so it actually will like darken on its own basically when the time comes. And when it comes to power consumption, so you see it actually consumes a bit under half a watt, so again it doesn't consume anything at all, so if you want to run it from power. Also let's check out this cool mode where we can actually set the clock to change between the time, date and also the temperature. So we have to go in the like the temperature mode first. So let's go in the temperature mode and then hold the mode button. It will make a beep, and then after some 10 seconds it should change to the next, so the date. So let's see if it does anything. So you see currently, okay, so you see it shows the date and also then the temperature. So it will cycle like this basically between the time. Let's check again how it looks like. So the time now, date, and also the temperature. So yeah, absolutely awesome. And overall, is this clock actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, yep, I can actually highly suggest this particular model over here, because not only it's loaded to the brim with top-line features, also the display quality is actually excellent, so you can actually see it from very far away. You can also easily adjust the brightness so it doesn't disturb you. Also, obviously, it will also like turn down the brightness itself once the time comes essentially for it. Again, good visibility, you can actually see it very far away. Also, the alarm is actually like crazy loud. You can also run it from batteries or the Type-C, so for its price I think it's absolutely insane good clock. Again, if you want to get it for the cheapest price possible, simply check out the special discount links in the description. Again, that is also with free shipping, so personally I paid actually only $3 for this clock from AliExpress. For this price I think it's absolutely insane what we are getting here. Good luck!